Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll be trying PAKEEZA restaurant, which is a Pakistani restaurant located at Chow. As you can see from the Google review ratings, their rating is very high, 4.4 stars out of 498 reviews.
This one the beef kebab, this one chicken kebab, this one chicken tikka, same tandoori chicken. This one malai boti chicken also, green chicken, green malai boti. Yes, this one shish taouk, this one mutton. This one mutton. Yes, mutton.
Nice.
Yeah.
How much is one? Let's say for
This one different price. At same tandoori, but we make in barbecue. And the one chabli kebab also have there. The one. And cheese naan also have. Here, this one cheese naan, garlic naan.
I order garlic naan already.
Kulfi also have here. Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
Yes. Very nice. Kulfi ice cream.
Coffee ice cream.
This one mutton, lamb.
Oh, nice.
This one chicken, butter chicken. This one chicken kebab, fry, kalai. This one beef and potato. Beef and potato.
Nice,
This one leg kambing.
Oh, lamb.
Goat. Yeah, lamb. This one chicken curry.
Okay.
This one also chicken. The taste different. This one all green.
This spinach.
Yes, spinach. Yes, only same one. This one
Spinach
beef
and yogurt.
Yes, simple. This one beef also. We call it beef keema.
Beef
fry.
keema.
Yes. This one on
Oh,
yes. This one veggie. The rice also is.
I will try the
This one ice cream.
cheese also. I will try the kebab, chicken kebab, and garlic naan.
Garlic naan very nice.
Yeah, garlic naan
nice.
and kebab. I order already.
Okay. This one also have the beef pulao, mutton pulao, mutton biryani, beef pulao.
Also, it's not biryani.
No.
So it's
biryani.
different.
This one different.
Okay.
The taste different. This one chicken biryani.
Okay.
This one chicken pulao.
Pulau lah.
Yes, this one mutton pulao, lamb.
Okay.
This one mutton biryani.
Okay.
This one sweet rice.
Sweet rice.
Yeah, sweet rice.
So I've ordered the garlic naan, chicken kebab, and the chapli beef kebab. garlic naan was coated with butter and the bread was thick, giving it a very savory taste. I believe it is one of the better garlic naan out there. For the chicken kebab, it was a bit dry, but still the taste was very nice. My favorite was the beef chapli kebab because it's just like a burger patty, beef burger patty loaded with spices, this chili padi, onions, and then deep fried. And the portion was very big, enough for 2 persons. Overall, the meal was very satisfying and the price is very reasonable. I highly recommend coming here, either to PAKEEZA restaurant or you can try the one that's just beside it called Khan restaurant. Both of them are also having very great reviews. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.